Hello everybody, and today we are talking about the difference between the 2023 Toyota RAV4 lineup versus the 2023 Toyota Venza. Let's get into it. So both the Venza and the RAV4 are sport utility vehicles offered by Toyota, but you might be thinking to yourself, which one would I buy? Obviously both very reliable, safe, and they offer a lot of utility. The RAV4 is more of a sport activity vehicle, so if you're going to go camping or put your bikes on it, possibly kayaks on the roof, and the Venza is more towards premium and comfort. Obviously both of them are very comfortable and premium feeling, but the Venza has more of a premium feel on the interior and a little bit of a sleeker exterior design. As far as powertrains go, the Venza in all of its forms is all-wheel drive and comes with a hybrid 219 horsepower engine, and that has a combined 39 miles per gallon. Now, the RAV4, on the other hand, you can get in 3 iterations, whether it be the gas engine, the hybrid engine, or the plug-in hybrid become quite popular. So the gas engine has 203 horsepower, while the hybrid, the same engine that comes in the Venza, 219 horsepower. The plug-in hybrid, which has 308 horsepower, also has up to 42 miles of electric-only driving range. Now, both of these vehicles, if you're considering towing, have a 3,500-pound towing capacity. However, as I mentioned earlier, if you're planning on going camping or you need a little extra ground clearance or off-road, the RAV4 offers up to 8.6 inches of ground clearance and has a couple of different trims, such as the Woodland trim, the Adventure trim, and the TRD trims, which offer a little bit more off-road capability. Now, the Venza also offers lots of utility, but with its 7.7 inches of ground clearance, it could pretty much get you anywhere. But if, like I said, if you are planning to do a little off-roading or getting off the beaten path, I would suggest the RAV4. As far as passenger volume goes, they have very, very similar passenger volume between the RAV4 and the Venza, with the Venza being a slightly more comfortable version of the two. Now, if you're talking about cargo, the Venza has 55.1 cubic feet of cargo space, while the RAV4 has 69.8 cubic feet of cargo space, and it's a little focused more on utility, as I mentioned. Now, both of these vehicles come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. As far as multimedia screens go, both of the vehicles come standard with an 8-inch screen, or in the Venza you get up to a 12.3-inch display, and in the RAV you can get a 10.5-inch display. Both vehicles have seating for 5. A few other things both vehicles offer are available JLB premium audio and a panoramic sunroof. Both vehicles also have Toyota's Safety Sense 2.5, which includes pre-collision with pedestrian detection, lane departure with steering assist, full speed range radar cruise control, and blind spot monitoring. Now, this comes on all Venza models and all RAV4 models. Overall, both the 2023 Toyota RAV4 and the 2023 Toyota Venza are great options for consumers looking for a reliable, practical, compact SUV. Between the two, it ultimately comes down to individual preferences in terms of style, features, and performance. Now, if either of these vehicles interest you, check them out at Toyota of Dartmouth in North Dartmouth, Massachusetts.